Part 2. People in Other Cultures. Comprehension 1 and 2. Here are some of the responses to the Ibunka survey. Many people who have lived abroad or are living abroad were kind enough to share their personal experiences and insights. Through these responses, you'll get an idea of how people think and behave in many cultures outside of Japan. It's interesting to notice that there are sometimes considerable differences between Western cultures. Read or listen to recordings of the responses to the first 2 questions of the survey. Each response was recorded in 3 native English accents: American, British, and Australian. For each track number in the book, you will find 3 audio tracks on the website. To check your understanding, answer the true or false questions in Comprehension 1 and fill in the missing words in Comprehension 2. Discussion. Next, go back over the responses in Comprehension 1 and 2 and choose the one response that was most interesting to you. Write sentences based on the sample language provided. To make your writing expressive, you must justify your choice with a reason, opinion, or anecdote. Discuss with your classmates. Comprehension 3 and Culture Shock section. This section introduces an additional Ibunka survey question. In some units it's called Comprehension 3, but in most lessons it's called Culture Shock. Here you will find examples of culture shocks that arise from the cultural differences discussed in the unit. Answer the true or false questions in the same way as in Comprehension 1. Creativity. Finally, draw a manga based on your experience or your imagination. You can send your best work into our manga contest.